Well, this morning, a case that has gripped Southeast Michigan for years will head to trial. Opening statements begin today in the murder trial of Dale Warner.
Now, he's accused of killing his wife, Dee Warner, in a case that we've been following along closely to since the very beginning.
Now, Dee Warner was last seen April 25th, 2021 at her home in Tecumseh. In November 2023, Dale was arrested and charged with her disappearance, despite the fact that Dee's body was never found.
In March of 2024, Dee Warner was legally declared dead. And in August of that year, Dee's remains were found inside of a welded shut tank on a Lenawee County property that belongs to Dale.
7 News Detroit reporter Brittany Toulis has been following this case closely, and she joins us live. And Brittany, you've been hearing from legal experts and Dee's family ahead of the trial. What are they saying?
Dee's family says this is a long time coming, Keenan and Allie, and Dee Warner's brother Greg tells me the family is bracing to hear the evidence and to see the defendant Dale Warner once again. And a legal expert weighed in, giving insight into how Warner's attorneys can go about defending him in such a high-profile case.
It has been nearly 5 years, as you know, and it's been a long battle, but we're very grateful that we're there.
Greg Hardy, Dee Warner's brother, and the rest of Dee's loved ones will fill a Lenawee County courtroom Thursday, nearly 5 years after Dee went missing from her Tecumseh home. Her husband, Dale Warner, will be sitting in the defendant's chair, charged with first-degree murder.
It's painful to see him, period. I have been anticipating the opportunity to hear how you defend the indefensible. And there's no question some of it is going to be, in my opinion, extremely gruesome. And it's certainly going to be agonizing and play on your emotions.
Warner was bound over for trial before investigators found Dee's remains sealed in an ammonia tank on Warner's property in 2024, over 3 years after she went missing. Detroit Mercy Law School professor Larry Dubin on how defense attorneys may approach opening statements.
I think the lawyers in opening statement will try to put out some reasons for doubt, or why the location still might not have involved the defendant. You want to open the minds of the jurors to the possibility that the defendant is not guilty of, I think in essence, in this case, first-degree murder.
The trial's expected to last about 7 weeks. Dubin says there may not be many witnesses called. Greg, on that witness list, says this trial has been a long time coming, but it's a day they knew would come.
I never was willing in any way, shape, or form to give up.
If you could talk to Dee right now, what would you tell her?
Finally. Yeah, just finally.
And this is a case many in the area have been following along closely as it's developed over the years, and we'll be following this trial along closely as well. Opening statements begin today at 9 a.m. I'm Brittany Toulis for 7 News Detroit this morning. Keenan and Allie?
Absolutely. Still a lot of questions, and I think we'll start to get some of those answers in trial. Brittany Toulis, live for us.